There is a specific kind of quiet that arrives at 3 a.m. It is the hour when the rest of the world is asleep, but your mind is wide awake, replaying every misstep, every loss, and every heavy burden you carry. We don't often talk about the darkness, honestly. We pretend it's just a phase, a temporary inconvenience. But for many of us, life delivers moments that feel less like a temporary shadow and more like an eclipse, a total blackout of hope, direction, and certainty. If you are standing in that space right now, listen closely. The darkest hour of the night is not a permanent state. It is simply the precise moment before the horizon begins to turn. Welcome to Chasing the Sunrise. The first step toward recovery is never about forcing yourself to smile or pretending everything is fine. That is exhausting, and frankly, it doesn't work. When you are recovering from a devastating loss, a career collapse, or a personal crisis, the immediate instinct is to run away from the pain. We try to outrun the grief, outwork the anxiety, or distract ourselves until the numbness sets in. Yet, true recovery demands a different kind of courage. It asks you to sit still in the room with your reality. Think of it like balancing a troubled ledger. You cannot fix a deficit by ignoring the bottom line. You have to look at the numbers, the exact extent of the damage, before you can draft a recovery strategy. Acknowledging your pain isn't weakness. It is the baseline assessment required for your comeback. Once the reality is accepted, the work of rebuilding begins. But here is where most people falter. They look at the grand destination, complete recovery, total peace, ultimate success, and they freeze. The mountain looks too high, especially when your legs are already tired. Resilience is not a dramatic leap across a chasm. It is the accumulation of microscopic decisions. It is deciding to get out of bed when every fiber of your being wants to stay under the covers. It is making one phone call. It is cleaning one corner of the room. It is honoring a single small commitment to yourself. In institutional finance, liquidity is restored not through a massive windfall, but through the careful, disciplined preservation of small assets and steady cash flow. Your life operates the same way. You don't need an immediate miracle. You need incremental stability. You restore your spirit one small, deliberate victory at a time. As the light begins to filter through the trees, you notice something interesting. The landscape looks different than it did before the sun went down. The storm may have knocked down branches, rearranged the soil, and altered the terrain. You cannot return to the exact life you had before the crisis. And the truth is, you wouldn't want to. The darkest nights of our lives act as great equalizers and ruthless editors. They strip away the superficial metrics of success, the relationships built on convenience, and the ego-driven pursuits that didn't truly matter. They leave you with a refined core. When you chase the sunrise, you aren't trying to recapture the past. You are stepping into a version of yourself that has been tested by fire and found unbreakable. You carry scars, yes, but scars are simply proof that the tissue healed stronger where it was once torn. The night can be long, cold, and profoundly lonely. But mornings are relentless. No matter how deep the shadows, the rotation of the earth ensures that the light will return. You don't have to have all the answers today. You just have to face the eastern horizon, take a deep breath, and take one step forward. The night is behind you. Now go chase your sunrise.